Okay, guys, here's another simple hack. If you guys ever had this problem to where you're about to change it out, I just took this off here, but basically what you could do is you could take another one like so, and let me show you how to fix it. So first off, you unscrew this. It's gonna come out kind of like so. Now the piece that was on here is important. This piece is important. So here's the new one, and we're going to unscrew this piece. Once you unscrew it, now what I found in this one is there was a screw right in the middle of here. So I already took this off. I already unscrewed it. So I'm going to show you how it ends up working. But I already unscrewed it. And then when I unscrewed it, basically this piece came out. Now the problem is that this will not fit over here, like the nut that goes on here, it won't fit. So what we need is the larger one, which came with this original one. So I'll show you next. Take a little drill and drill yourself a hole, just like I've done here already. And that's the screw that's gonna be going in. Now I did a little bit more creative because there's these little tabs, but I grinded those off with the grinder. So I screwed this back bracket that was from my old one onto this one, and let's go check it out. And voila. Hey guys, if you guys like this video, hey, KSJ knew something today. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you next time.